This is the most active Ikea we've been to. It looks like you could have your birthday party here and hire a clown. Best Ikea I've ever been to. The way that people were just chilling on the couches, like playing on their phones, lying down, multiple people sleeping inside the store. It really shows you how this Ikea is much more of a testing and lifestyle store than I think the other Ikeas you've ever been to. Today we are visiting Ikea here in China, and check this one out. They have a playground, a raspberry blueberry cheesecake, a princess cake. The tiramisu looks good. Almond cake, chocolate cake. We're heading straight to the Swedish restaurant. We want to eat first. It's not as busy in here as I expected it to be for a Saturday afternoon. I think there's one ice cream here. They have lamb chops with curry sauce. There's a pork floss bread for $9.99 and a cinnamon bun. They don't look that good. They look kind of dry. And this one is a cranberry cheese bun. This one I've seen, the smoked salmon, the salad, chocolate milk, orange juice. It even says beer of Belgian origin over there. There's a sirloin steak with V crispers. They also have shrimp cake. Oh, somebody's having a steak. It says grilled sausage rice curry vegetable ball, or there's stir-fry beef with black pepper sauce. Got the lamb chops. This one is a top one. It says shrimp cake, $12.99. They look like they're covered in cereal. They do have chicken wings, chicken leg, and some sort of fish ball. They're kind of cold looking. There's also a hot soup here, which says it's a yam and chicken soup. Pomelo flavored drink. And this one is chocolate drink. We've got a black pepper beef stir fry. It looks like there's a few vegetables with it, with rice. And then this one is their new menu item, so we're gonna try it out. It's the curry lamb chop. It comes with some fried rice and frozen peas that are kind of cooked up. So this is something that I haven't seen before, and it looks like it's sort of crusted in cereal, but this one is a shrimp cake. Let's dig in. The rice is nice. It's like a pilaf. For all the meats and food that they have, just like the meatballs, they never like cook it fresh. Cut this one up. It's tender. It tastes like a light curry flavor. It's warm, not hot, but it's honestly pretty good. Better than expected. I'm gonna take the first bite of the beef pepper sauce, which is a very thick, like cornstarch looking sauce with onions, red pepper. Feels like this one would be really hard to mess up. It tastes a little bit like Chinese mall food. I don't know if Chinese people like this. I didn't see anyone ordering this in the to-go line. Everyone else was kind of ordering like steaks and meatballs, but this is Western Chinese fusion at its finest.
It's like American mall Chinese food.
Yes. American mall Chinese food. The food at the mall here in China is much better. All right, let's try this shrimp cake. It's literally just filled with shrimp. This is the hottest thing we got. What a surprise. This was just sitting out on like the side. I did not expect it to be hot, but this is hot. And it's good. It sort of tastes like a prawn tempura. This is maybe the #1 thing that we're eating today. When we were walking into this dining area, I saw a guy with an ice cream cone, and we've yet to find the ice cream cone. So after we eat, we're gonna wander around to try to find out where the dessert is. I remember when I praised Japan for having the conveyor belt return tray, and they have the same thing here in China. This person's taking a video call. Maybe they're just watching a video. This is so weird. I've never been to an Ikea where so many people are sitting down. That child is sleeping on the couch. They brought him a blanket. Look, he's got his own fan. What a unique experience. Look at those guys. They're fully reclined, just having a date at Ikea. Are these people watching TV inside Ikea?
It's an Ikea.
That guy's got his shoes off.
Yeah,
He's sleeping. It looks very comfortable. How long do you think he's been there? Those people are having a photo shoot inside Ikea. This might be one of the busiest Ikeas we have visited. There's like a lot of people shopping here, mostly hanging out here.
Testing the pots.
It really does feel like we're creeping on people's homes because people are really using these demo homes. They're hairy crabs. It's very popular here. It's like they've never been to an Ikea before. I think they have some sort of design center here. There's a lot of people at the computers.
Cool.
And it says you can do it yourself, but you don't have to. They're all being helped by an individual employee. Kitchen furniture series. It's unbelievable to me that this many people would want to be at an Ikea.
Brothers playing with utensils.
Oh, that's so cute. They're having like playtime at home.
Yeah. People are just looking for a place to sit.
I think these people all are interested in desk chairs, don't you think? A guy in the back, he's just having a lean. The entire family is testing the chairs. None of the beds are made properly, so it suggests to me that people have been trying to sleep here. She's just playing on her phone. You're right, we could just bring our laptops, and this could become our new home office, and see if anyone will say anything to us.
How long will it take?
This family's in here playing in this play zone.
Oh, that's really cool. Complete kids room.
I think there's a kid in the tent. I think he might be playing hide and seek. What is happening? There's backpacks in here. Like people have brought their stuff to hang out. This guy is just watching the news on his phone. Remember when I said there was a playground outside? I'm like, how cute is this IKEA? They have a playground? The entire store is a playground. Can you imagine how disappointing going to IKEA must be for Chinese people when they see that other people don't sleep at their IKEAs? At first I thought it was weird that there was that sign that said you can have your birthday party here for $2,000, and I was like, who would do that? And now after seeing how people use the IKEA, that makes perfect sense to me. IKEA is like, well, you may as well pay us if you're gonna have a party here. You know, when you're at IKEA, my IKEA just gives out a piece of paper measuring tape. Look at this, there's full-on measuring tapes. I guess you can buy them. Check out this light that's dimmable and changes based on the music that it plays. It's apparently a new product. It does not play any music. It's just a reactive light. Still cool. Okay, so I've always known that there's IKEA umbrellas, but there are IKEA t-shirts and sweatshirts and bucket hats. It's just like one little logoed hat, a little bit large. It just says IKEA in the middle, and they're $1.99 here, and it's also a new product. There's also the t-shirts in white, pink, and blue, and those are selling, I think, for $49.99. They're normally $99.99. This is what the t-shirt looks like. And then the pink shirt kind of has a lot more logos. It's very soft. So earlier we asked at the market where the ice cream was, and she said it's at the end, and we've made it to the end. We see the ice cream.
We're trying 2 of the ice cream flavors. Earth, and we have avocado yogurt. I'll try the avocado yogurt first. Oh, it's like a citrus yogurt and a sweet avocado. You know, it's pretty good. And now we'll go for Earth. Another green flavor here. Oh, almost like a chocolate.
This one is very, very blue, concerningly blue, dark green. The green is better than the blue, I think. Tom picked this one because it was earth flavor, and I picked this one because I was like, ooh, avocado ice cream. Much brighter, much better flavor. This is a sour yuzu. It's perfect with the avocado. The earth flavor is a new flavor. I would not order that one, but this one, the avocado maybe yuzu, is delicious. And you should know that while you are here at IKEA ordering, you need to use a QR code to pay. So you have to scan the QR code. You can go through the entire menu. And then once you've paid, you get a QR code. You take your QR code over to the pickup desk. And then when you scan that code, then they'll just make your ice cream cones for you. Honestly, overall, 10 out of 10 experience visiting IKEA in China. This is maybe the funniest, most interesting IKEA I've ever been to in my life.